Bitcoin Money is a middle-of-the-road digital currency that is currently valued at $279.74 and belongs to the group of mineable coins. It has a market capitalization of $5,440,380,490, which is a very important number. Over the past few years, digital currencies like Bitcoin Money have gained a lot of traction in the global financial world, and they are now traded like traditional currencies like dollars. Forex, in a general sense, this is a clear convergence. The actions of all market participants have brought the price of Bitcoin Cash to where it is now, at $279.74. This is a pretty simple explanation, since BCH is already considered a middle-tier digital currency because it has the 16th spot in overall digital currency rankings, which is calculated by multiplying the current price by the market capitalization of the digital asset. Reliable information about the current state of the market and its outlook for the future lets the receivers assess the state of their portfolio and decide if it needs to be rearranged, which is a very big deal. Our calculations are also based on real data, which is usually needed to get an accurate picture of both the present and the future. Market structure and an assessment of where it is now and where it will go in the future are very important. Below, you will find key excerpts of this verifiable information so you can understand where the Bitcoin Money market is going in a significant way. Yesterday, July 20th, BCH was valued at $274.07 at the end of the two trading sessions. Remember that digital currencies are traded every day, so each trading session usually ends at 12 p.m. or so. They thought that the price change rate over that time period added up to 0.54, which is a big change. 7 days earlier, on July 19th, Bitcoin Money was valued at $271.60 at the end of the two trading sessions. The real cost level is 172.34 points away from where it is now. The cost of BCH and the readings of XFIX are not the only measures we use to make cost forecasts, which is a very big deal. Market capitalization is another important metric that helps traders figure out how popular a digital currency is and what its future prospects are. It is also used to measure how much of the digital currency market Bitcoin holds. The equation for figuring out market capitalization is pretty simple. As of the time of writing, the market capitalization of BCH remains at $5,440,380,490, which makes it the 16th largest coin on the digital money market. Yesterday, on July 26, the market capitalization of Bitcoin Money remained at $5,329,545,472, or so the really thought. 7 days ago, on July 19, the value of BCH was $5,280,038, which was a big number. A month ago, on June 13, the total amount of capital flowing into this market was $1,994,584,794. Most digital cash investors stick to the rule that a digital currency's market capitalization also shows how risky it is and how well it can handle disturbances, which are a normal part of this very unstable market. In a significant way, it's clear that Bitcoin's market capitalization makes it a mid-cap digital currency with a lot of potential. Gathering so our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned in commonly such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and certainly conclude whether it needs to in every practical sense be reconfigured, since we for the most part have proactively referenced the recipe for working out the market capitalization. It would especially be proper to really dedicate a piece of this report to the stock of BCH, which is essentially shows that as of the hour of compassing the market capitalization of BCH in a real sense remains at 5.440. 380,491, enough to name it the 16th, practically the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which certainly is genuinely critical for Especially your data. There generally are three kinds of supply for practically every cryptographic money. The fundamentally greatest stockpile refers to the number of coins that will be created on a specific blockchain during its lifetime. The extremely all-out supply refers to the number of coins that have been delivered since the project began. The flowing inventory refers to the number of coins that can be used. The most Bitcoin money in circulation is about 21,000 BCH. In spite of what most people think, the total amount of BCH in circulation right now is still 19,447,850 coins. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey really is 1,947,850 BCH. In a sort of huge manner, this Bitcoin money cost forecast golden T in a real sense be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the truly metric utilized by basically all digital currency dealers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in a truly significant manner, for example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain especially is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume. There is a kind of high likelihood that this move essentially is unreasonable and would generally bring about a bullish snare in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, it is critical to basically break down the past and the ongoing exchanging volume of BCH requests to comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, exhibiting that it is evident that the very previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to really characterize it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering, or cost expectation calculation generally is planned so that it's ceaseless. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions. BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key support level at $29,500. A triple bottom pattern in the 4-hour window is another sign that this support level is correct. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, show a negative trend. The RSI is at 42, and the MACD is below zero. At $29,995, just below the cyclical